CHIDIADI be government property, J. So according him some respect in no go. I be you want to joke with government property, J. I be you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England the way now. My room the next week in the lazy bed room. Oh, you give me some chocolate, the macadillis. Oh, yeah, got to me, my guy,
it's me, Chica.
Oh, it's Chica.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Sir.
Okay, is this our prospective nurse?
Yes, sir.
Good.
She is. She doesn't know your place. That's why I have to bring her myself.
Okay.
Before that, I was busy at my mom's shop, so I have to hurry back.
Oh, no, that's fine. That's
Alright,
fine.
I'll see you around, sir.
That's okay.
Alright, sir. See you around.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I see. Needless to ask, I see you are beautiful. You have the right curves in the right places. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, how much are we looking at? I mean, what's the cost of the admission process?
It's 58,400, sir, and it excludes the boarding fee for those that don't want to live in school stay.
I see. And in your own case, what's your plan? You want to live in the hostel or you'll be going from home?
I want to be going from home, so I can be helping my mother with the house chores.
Nice one. Nice one. I love it when you said so you can be helping your mother. As a matter of fact, that character is consistent with your nursing career. Yeah, but you will promise me something. Promise me you will open a pharmacy or a medicine store when you are done with your training. Because one thing I've noticed in the community is that access to patent medicine is a major challenge. And I would want you to intervene at that level.
I will, sir. Even my younger brother is at the verge of dropping out from school because we couldn't afford to pay for his junior WAEC. I couldn't have brought this up to avoid being greedy.
No, it's okay.
Sorry,
it's actually okay. It's actually okay. Next time, just mention it.
Yes.
If we are able to do something, we say so. If we are not, we also say so. The bottom line is that education should be for all. Boy, girl, young, old. Everyone should have access to education. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Meanwhile, just go inside and, have more discussions. You understand?
Okay, sir.
Come on.
Good girl. CHIDIADI be government property, J. So according him some respect in no go. I be you want to joke with government property, J. I be you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England the way now. My room the next week in the lazy bed room. Oh, you give me some chocolate, the macadillis. Oh, yeah, got to me, my guy, macadillo fecha. CHIDIADI, Inojie small you to CORPER. Na biggie CORPER where they work with army soldier. Come and see exceptional UCHE CORPER. UCHE CORPER we get contact with the president. Yo. CORPER, CHIDIADI. CORPER with my community. CORPER, CHIDIADI be government property, J. So according him some respect in no go. I be you want to joke with government property, J. I be you one play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England, the way not my room no the next to Queen Elizabeth room. Oh, you give me some accolade, my God, delicious. Oh, you got to me, my guy, my God, they love a job. CHIDIADI, Inojie small you to CORPER. Na biggie CORPER, where they work with army soldier. Come and see exceptional you to CORPER. You to CORPER, we get contact with the president. Yo.
So Chika has turned to a pimp in this village after all my warnings. She brought Nkiru for my copper. Then Nkiru will now bring another person for him. Wait, is this what this London copper came here to do? Testing and testing and testing. And came for testing on you.
Informa, what are you doing here? Eh? Hey! Informa, leave this man alone now. Leave this man alone. He will use barrack boys on you if you don't take your time. Barrack boys, so be very, very careful.
Leave my husband's house.
Husband, Gene?
Yes.
Hey.
Chidiadi is my husband. What are you doing here? I was on my own. You introduced me to Copper Chidiadi. I fell in love with him.
Oh.
Allow me to enjoy my love life. As a matter of fact, he promised to marry me.
Ooh.
And that marriage must hold.
Are you okay? No, are you sure you are alright? In case you don't know this and no peace. Copper Chidiadi is going to London after his service with only one person. And that person is me. Yes, he doesn't want you anymore, so allow him to rest. Allow him.
Going to London with you?
Yes, with me.
As Munye? As
his PA. Special advisor, chairman, chief executive officer. Oh, yes.
Because I don't understand. He's going to London with you. I don't blame you. Just cancel that London Nobi. Just Kachaya Nobi because he's not going to work. He's already sleeping with small girls in this village. As I'm speaking with you, he's inside with Nkiru cafe.
If you go explain tire, no evidence. Eh? Does it matter? It does not matter after all. You don't even know what they're discussing. Yes, allow him to have peace of mind. Let him rest. Allow Chidiadi to rest.
I don't know what they're discussing.
Yes.
Inside the room. Nenu bed. Eh? Nenu bed. You see that London? It's not going to work. It will not work. It will not work.
I have my passport too.
Your passport.
My passport is out already.
Let me see.
Should I show you?
Let me see.
What is happening? I have told you severally now to bring this man that has been nice to my family so that I can thank him for all the good things that he has been doing to my family. What is happening now? Bring him, let me thank him. Bikono.
He will come. It's just that he's very busy. I promise you, he will make out time and come.
Try to convince him to come. Look at all the good things that he has been bringing. Look at all the favors he has been bringing to my family. Let me say thank you to him now. Do you know that the other day, he gave Uju money for books? Who does that in this hard time? Ishika. His kindness is difficult to see.
He's a nice man.
He's a nice man indeed, my daughter. A nice man. Bikono, bring him.
Come.
You come. I'm waiting.
Copper Chidiadi. Copper within my community. Copper Chidiadi be government property.
Chinedu, is this you?
Of course, this is me. Who else? What are you still doing in this village? I thought you should be out of here by now.
Out of here to where? If I leave this village, who takes care of my mom and my child?
Mom and your child? What about your siblings? Or are they grudging with your mother?
They are not. They are still trying to find their feet.
Oh, really? I see. So how is this old man I learned has been taking care of you and your daughter?
Eh?
Yeah, the one you fell in love with.
Chinedu? Wait, Chiri. You heard all that?
You think I don't know? You think I don't know? Ifeoma told me everything. How you've been aborting his children.
Abortion? What?
Yes.
Me?
Huh?
Wait. Is that why you've not come to see me?
Come to see you. Why should I come to see you? Why will I? You disgust me.
Moa.
You're a disgrace to me and whatever I stand to represent. Just a little time I left this village and you've already taken him for another man. Is this how cheap you can be?
Why am I even standing here listening to you insult me? See, believe whatever you want to. I don't care. Because Eba Apobiko, you stop in low. You came back since. You cannot come and see your daughter. Or never now come and see.
What is your problem, Chinedu? What do you want from my friend again? She got pregnant, you ran away. You even said to her face that you're no longer interested in her, that you don't want to date her again. Why won't you leave my friend alone?
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
So all this nonsense you just said now is enough justification for her to be frolicking around with that aged man that came from wherever it is he came from, isn't it? Eh? So it justifies her going about with the man that came from God knows where. Eh? Can you even listen to yourself? She even had to condescend to the point of aborting his child.
Eh? And who is feeding you with all these lies? Abortion kwa? Spare me that, Chinedu. The CORPER is God sent to her. He's been the one taking good care of her and her daughter. If you really care like you claimed, are you not aware that the little girl Uju doesn't go to school? What have you done? Nothing.
Indeed, she doesn't go to school.
Yes.
So that is the reason why she should be frolicking around with an old man. Huh? Anyway, why am I even here trading words with you? You are the mastermind behind this. I'm a money.
Me?
You, yes, you. Because I'm standing here listening. Why am I even listening to you in the first place? Go save up.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I blame her for stooping so low for somebody like you.
Because I don't have anything to say.
Fair, mom. Yeah. I'm walking out.
Irima, it's out of respect that I stopped for him. And he started talking trash. Look at this boy. Someone that made empty promises to me and left for the city. And he expected me to stay there and be talking to him.
I thought no joke, Sef. He went to listen to Ifeoma. And I'm sure it's Ifeoma who labeled those lies against you to him.
Mama Ifeoma, leave Ifeoma to me. She feels I'm calm, that I'm calm in this village. Just leave her to me. She's going to see what she's looking for.
If I should advise you, stop talking to this Chinedu of a guy. Ignore him anywhere you see him. He's not a good person.
Mama,
welcome.
How was school today?
Fine.
Okay. Go inside and chill. Let me bring your food. Oh? She has grown, okay?
I swear. Hey! All thanks to CORPER CHIDIADI. Who could believe that she will be in school now?
CORPER CHIDIADI. CORPER within my community. CORPER CHIDIADI be government property.
What a massive land. But this road will have to expand towards this street. Then we stretch it down.
With the government personnel, I don't go to school for England.
Oh, no, what are you doing? CORPER CHIDIADI, you must know, I am expecting this land. Soon I will sell it off.
Oh no, I ask you, what are you doing here? Because I can see you stretching your hand like one low budget surveyor. Oh no, listen to me. This land has been earmarked by the federal government for a very important developmental purpose. Did you hear me? Do not trespass. The delegates from Abuja were here yesterday and we have concluded on that matter.
Will you shut up here about? Look, I have been ignoring your excesses in this town. Who are you? Are you the Igwe to have concluded? Did your so-called delegate meet the Igwe or any of the chiefs to conclude? Well, I'm asking you.
Assuming you are representing the Igwe, let me make it abundantly clear to you that neither you nor the Igwe are above constituted authority. Did you hear me? Neither you nor the Igwe is above the government. Who sent me here? Yes, I am here in my personal capacity as a representative of Abuja, Aso Rock, the seat of power. So get off this land. Oh no, if you do not want to spend whatever is left of your miserable life in jail, go and look for something else to do. Yeah? Yes, there are other businesses you can do other than selling any land in sight off. I'm telling you.
CORPER CHIDIADI.
CHIDIADI. CORPER CHIDIADI. Don't dare me.
Government property. So according him some respect in Inugo. Maybe you want to joke with government property. Maybe you want play with the government person.
Your Majesty, I told you to plan on how to send this CORPER CHIDIADI out of our community. I have also reported his excesses on our market men and women. He has also been molesting our underage daughters. His house is the den of many evil activities. Yet you told me I should calm down, that he has only 1 year to stay with us.
Oh no, sit down.
Okay.
So what has he done this time around?
He is claiming the Ukwo for land, that the government has sent delegates on it and that he is in charge. What audacity! What importance!
That will never happen.
Never. Not under my watch. Not now that I'm still alive. How can CHIDIADI, the son of Umenwe, came back to this land after many years to meddle into land matters? No. It will never happen. The state government that gave me staff of office cannot negotiate land with anybody. Not even a mere CORPER. Not even a federal CORPER, whatever he calls himself. It's not possible. Oh, well, never mind. He has just 3 months. 3 months to live. But before then, I will call my son. to furnish me about this service thing. No. It will never happen.
Your Majesty, your food is served.
Chioma, when will you learn not to interrupt Igwe in council?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. You've not eaten since morning. And now it's noon. I'm sorry for barging into your conversations.
Go, I will eat when I need it. Savo, no.
Okay, Your Majesty.
CORPER, within my community. CORPER, CHIDIADI be government property. So according him some respect in Inojie. Maybe you want to joke with government property. Maybe you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England.
No,
I brought you corn.
I shouldn't have disturbed yourself now.
No, Kappa. They have plenty.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me start with the corn. With the akibeke.
There's something I want to ask you.
Okay.
And I want you to tell me the truth.
Okay.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Oh. Manyalum. To tell you the truth, I don't have. I don't. If I see a woman that I like, my body will be doing me somehow inside. Oh yes. I think I need deliverance.
But that day that the CORPER asked you to gather us, you spoke to us now. Are we not women?
Because I have no interest in any of you. And besides, he sent me a message. If it happens to be someone that I like, my whole body will be doing me somehow inside. I can't even see a woman and walk up to her and talk to her. It's a big problem.
So, what if you want to have one-on-one with a woman? What will you do?
It's very simple. Very simple. I will summon the whole courage on this world and go inside the market. Pay and hang my clothes on the nail by the door. When the business ends, I find my way.
Hey! You will go and hang your clothes on the nail. Dad, I should have us now. You will be careful. So you do patronize them?
Edema, what do you want me to do? No, what do you want me to do? I told Nonye to talk to you for me. You refused. Why are you now blaming me? See, I don't have time for women like you that will look into my eyes and my mouth. But over there, they don't look at my face. It is pay as you go.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Be a man and talk to a woman of your choice. What is there?
Igwebike. Okay, kwa. Okay.
Nonye, give you again. You better talk to him before you contact disease. Asha Okotas. So because of this, he left the corn. Maybe he's not hungry now.
CORPER within my community. CORPER CHIDIADI be government property. So according him some respect in Inojie. Maybe you want to joke with government property.
Ah! Masikiru!
Yes, sir.
Look at you! How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Wow!
Sir, I was just coming back from school. I said I should check up on you and show you my nursing uniform.
You look gorgeous! Get up. You are beautiful in and out.
Thank you, sir.
So nice to see you. Hey. So?
Sir, I've missed you.
Oh,
my
you
mother
have?
wants to see you too, and my brother is so grateful. So I never knew that there are other students you are helping. I met 5 of them, and they told me that Chika introduced them to you. Thank you so much, sir.
Well, what can I do? I try to do my best. You see, seeing young people go to school and become educated is a passion after my heart. One of the things I learned in England, where I came from. Why don't we go inside, eat some food and have fun? What do you think? By the way, I hope you came of your own volition. I mean, no, you came alone.
Yes, sir. Nobody knows I'm here. But I want to ask you a question. I hope all those people you're helping in school, the ones you're catering for, you don't have anything to do with them.
Okay.
Sir.
What do you want me to answer? Oh my dear. So nice to see you. Hey.
CORPER, CORPER CHIDIADI. CORPER within my community. CORPER CHIDIADI be government property. So according him some respect in Inoko. Abi you want to joke with government property. Abi you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England the way not my room no the next to Queen Elizabeth room. Oh, you give me some accolade, my God, delicious. Oh, you got to me, my guy, my God, they love a child. CORPER CHIDIADI, Inojie small you to CORPER. Na biggie CORPER, where they work with Army soldier. Come and see exceptional you to CORPER.
Do you see anybody? It seems there's no one here. So what do we do? Let's go.
CORPER, CORPER CHIDIADI. CORPER within my community. CORPER CHIDIADI.
Your Highness, we searched everywhere in his house, but we couldn't spot him. Go back to that house. Make sure you find him and give him my message.
Your Highness.
See our nose, so. I missed you.
NK baby,
My friend.
just stop for me.
My friend.
Our nurse, my nurse. How far now?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Now I'm actually this girl. This girl.
I reach you. Fine nurse.
I went to the CORPER's place earlier on.
Ah, seriously, did you see him?
Yes, I did.
Ah.
He's such a nice man.
Oh.
Do you know he asked me to go open a bank account in the neighboring town? That there's something he wants to use it for.
He also told me. Yes, and I've done mine. But guess what? I have a good news.
What is it? Tell me. Tell me. What is it?
My jam is out.
It's a lie.
And I made it.
It's a lie. You're lying.
Who is lying? So you are seeing me as Oloduna. I cannot pass jam. Is that Jare?
I'm happy for you.
You have to be, oh. Honestly, it's God that will bless that CORPER for me. It's God. Because see, he literally wiped away the tears of my mom and Naj. And he said he's going to make sure he see me through education. And that's why he asked me to go open the account.
But I'm surprised that we have such amount of money. Yes, I heard CORPERs are being posted to communities with little pay by the government. How come he has such money?
How come he has such money? You are asking. Eh? You are asking for someone who have lived in the London.
It's a lie.
What's a lie? No, tell me what is a lie. He was the special assistant to the late Queen Elizabeth. Oh, he didn't tell you.
Yeah, he did He did tell me a bit of the story. But I like him so much. I won't lie to you.
Osino, like Ikwa. Where is that one coming from? No, tell me, I don't understand. Enki, you like him so much. What is bringing the likeness now? Biko, jide kwa eba. Don't like him. Just because he helped you to become a nurse, it does not mean that you will like him. He's my big daddy. So don't go there. Let me be stingy in that side. What did you even bring back?
Nothing, I brought books.
So I should follow you and read books now. I so load somebody that don't know book. They go and chop your book. Leave here, Joe.
My friend.
He's not even saying you should bring her, even if it's all of this uniform.
Nonya.
What is it? Careful.
So I can't talk to you again. Are we not friends anymore?
No, we are not. Since I met you, it's been promise and fail. All the promises you made to me when I was still carrying this child, you've not fulfilled any. The only thing you did was going to start saying that I'm seeing one copper. And the worst you even did was gossiping my name with that stupid informer. Biko, just stay on your own.
Wait. Tonya, don't be fast. See, this isn't any fault of mine. What were you expecting? Were you not the one that went about sleeping with one old man that came here in the name of a youth CORPER or something? Were you not the one? You fell in love with him. I mean, you fell so cheaply for him. What do you expect me to do now?
You stand before my daughter and say such nonsense. Let me warn you, do not stop me again. Unuko. Abmaka, Unuko.
Nonya, you should be rational enough. I expect you to understand.
This one they my community, CHIDIADI be government property, so according him some respect in Inoko. Abi you want to joke with government property, Abi you want play
Yes?
with the government.
What is happening here?
The Igwe is still surprised why you haven't honored his invitation.
I understand that the Igwe has been wanting to see me, but the duties delegated to me by the federal government, of which I cannot renege, are far more important than the Igwe summons. I expect the Igwe to understand that. Yes. Anyway, you tell him that you have relayed your message. I will make out time to see him later.
No. The king instructed that we should bring you to the palace now.
Well, at least you can see that I'm just coming back from an assignment. At least let me go in, freshen up, then I'll come with you. If you choose to wait, fine. No, there's no problem with that. Let me just...
No, we have to obey instructions. To the car.
CORPER within my community, CHIDIADI be government property, so according him some respect in Inoko. Abi you want to joke with government property, Abi you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England, the way not down. My room with the next to Queen Elizabeth room. Oya give me some accolade, my God delicious. Oya got to me, my guy, my God, they love a child. CORPER CHIDIADI, you know be small you to CORPER. Na biggie CORPER, where they work with army soldier. Come and see.
It's not possible. It won't happen. I won't allow it to happen. What nonsense is this? You have been intimidating me and my own with government authorities. I will not accept it. I will not.
I don't understand.
You came here. You told us that the government sent you We accepted you. You showed us papers to authorizing you. We accepted it. Ever since then, we've been giving you your own share of proceeds from land sales. Why? Why do you connect with the government to take the land, our land? No, we will not allow it.
Is that why you're filming? No. Is that why you ignored a military salute from a federal corper? I am sure you don't know that's an offense. A federal corper gave you a full military salute and you ignored. Anyway, that land has been taken over by the government, this time around the state government. Yes. They have sent in their request for the land and I've also signed, giving them my consent.
Without my authorization? Without my consent? Listen, that land is estimated to worth over 150 million naira. And the real estate developers are involved now to develop that land. I don't know if you're aware of it. Let me tell you, over my dead body, I will never allow anybody to take that land away from us. It will never happen. If you know those people, tell them to come and meet me.
I'll soon be through with my service here. So as I round up, I want to use that land as a point of contact. So that let it be said that it was when I was a federal corper that I helped government to acquire that land, for the developmental purpose for which they want it. And it is your best interest to comply. Because if you do not, your stool will have serious problems. Igwe, this throne will leave this palace. I know you don't know how much I do behind you to protect both you and the throne. You don't. If you do, you won't be talking this way. No problem. If you like, accept. If you like, disagree. I'll take my leave, sir.
CORPER, CHIDIADI. CORPER within my community. CORPER, CHIDIADI be government property. So according him some respect in Inojie. I be you want to joke with government property. I be you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England the way not my room with the next to
You mean you came all the way to Lagos without even informing me? Come on, you have my phone number. Why don't at least send me a text message? You never know name or lose your Lagos.
Kenna, see, nothing is working back home. The only network we have doesn't even work at all. Before you can access any network, you have to travel to the next town. The town is in the darkest side, even in this era. That's why our youth are careless about school.
But wait, are you saying that the Igwe and the town union haven't established any school back in the village?
Which Igwe? Which school? Igwe has sacked all the staffs, sacked all the cabinets, and employed just one or two or three guards. He should trust himself first before trusting anybody that can work with him. You see, the problem is that one man came from where I don't know as a copper, and he's using our Igwe anyhow he wants. I'm telling you, he will buy something without paying. I'm telling you, he said he will marry me and finally left me for small girls in the village. Though he came from England and had worked with late Queen Elizabeth.
A copper in our own Isiogu town that I don't know of. Hey. So who could this person be?
He's from Sogo too. And his name is CHIDIADI from Inojie clan. He said he didn't serve when he was supposed to serve. He said he didn't serve when he was supposed to serve and has traveled to many countries.
CHIDIADI from Inojie.
Yes.
Has been to London. South Queen Elizabeth. Wait, Informer. Did you say that CHIDIADI Umenwa of Iyimogu went abroad, England for that matter, and served the Queen? Listen, let me tell you. CHIDIADI only married a Cameroonian. Best dear, Ogutakwa. Nothing more, nothing less. Ah! Nekiji Beba Lagos. Ah! This guy you are following. Bamano! What hell? Wait, did you say that CHIDIADI woman went to Cambridge, went to abroad? Come back. Mama, we will go. No, me yadi. Only kagile.
Wait. This is...
Is it the person that you're talking about?
Yes.
That has gone to London and served the Queen. He went what? Before you're a big joke. Ogonye enwere onye obo. Onya, enwere onye ma onye obo. Sleeping with our young girls, including you. Promise to marry you.
Copper, oh. Copper CHIDIADI. Copper within my community, oh. Copper CHIDIADI be government property, so according him.
Listen to me. Anytime you are preparing food for me, please, I do not want spices. All those Maggi, what do they call it? I don't want it. Please, all those foreign spices. It's not good for me. It's not good for my head and of this kingdom. You know Ogiri. We go to the market and get me Ogiri and all those good local stuff to embellish my food.
How far do you Highness?
The prince. Yeah, father. Is my father home? Is my father home? Hey! Father! The prince is back! Father! Oh, I miss him. Father! The prince! Prince, who's on that? Father.
Copper, remove headdress for His Royal Majesty, your father, the King of Nsogbu Kingdom, His Royal Majesty, Igwe Abeze.
I am honored. Father, thank you so much for this journey. I and my siblings are so happy for the education you gave to us. I am done with the service of this country, so any moment from now, I will join my siblings abroad.
How was the experience like in the camp?
Very good. Wonderful. You see, the federal government, they tried to provide for us all that we needed. And, they didn't fail to give us our monthly alawi. And of course,
That should be kudos to the youth corpers management. They all tried. Father, is everything all right?
It's okay, it's okay.
I missed you, Father. I missed you so much, Father.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Father.
You go upstairs, freshen up, and you come down. We'll have a lot to talk about.
At ease! Attention! Salute!
Copper, copper, oh, copper CHIDIADI. Copper within my community, oh, copper CHIDIADI. Copper CHIDIADI be government property.
Copper CHIDIADI. Copper CHIDIADI.
Friend, what is it?
Copper CHIDIADI. I just saw the Igwe son now. Wearing original Copper's uniform. Not this one that looks like Babariga, like Abagare. I don't understand though. So if you know that you are not genuine, if you know that you've committed something, I'm just here to inform you.
So because you saw one baby copper, that's why you are fretting. Because as far as I'm concerned, Igwe's son or whoever's son, it's nothing but a baby copper. You understand? In any case, I just received a letter from our secretariat. We have completed our primary assignment, so my batch has been discharged. Yeah. So I want to use the period to go to my mother's village to see my mother's people. You know? Yeah, the period in between, before the federal government would not give me a bigger assignment. So let me just, yeah.
That would be nice. Yeah. But please, can I come with you?
As who? My cousin? Nephew? Brother? Mother's brother?
Special advisor.
You're silly. Dummy. My friend, you know what? Okay, you wait here. Let me just quickly get something. Wait here.
Okay.
Wait here.
I'll wait.
Wait here.
Copper, copper,
go.
Copper CHIDIADI. Copper within my community, oh, copper CHIDIADI. Copper CHIDIADI be government property. So I'm calling him some respect in Inugo. Copper CHIDIADI, you want to joke with government?
Igwe, I told you that that Copper CHIDIADI is not genuine, and you said we should allow him for 1 year. Now look at a proper copper telling us that government do not send anybody in the name of youth copper to represent them in any town affairs. But he did not agree with me. Have you seen it now?
How can someone be using your brains? How possible is that, Father? He's from this town and he couldn't go anywhere else to play such tricks. See, Father, I served as a copper and I do not see any of the coppers being sent to start demanding from the communities. He needs to be arrested and that should be done very fast. Father, send the guards, let them block his house before he run away. Then we'll go to the headquarters and inform the police.
Guard! Guards!
Igwe.
Nollywood.
Oh,
God, I'm a man too.
Where is Copper CHIDIADI?
He left the house, not
Where
quite
is that
long.
scammer? That good for nothing scammer, Kelebono. Eh? Queen Elizabeth's first son.
What she say?
The most decorated liar in this country. Kelebono. I have all his records here. Boy, Kofta.
Informer. Copper CHIDIADI is not at home. And mind what you say. Before these military boys will invade you.
Before
they will attack you. To deal with you.
Megan. It's not military. Military. Where are they? No, go and call them. Hey, Chineke, for my girl. My greatest mistake was allowing that abaku to enter under my skirts. Fighting my fellow girl because of old man scammer. Let me tell you one thing. I'm talking to you, nobody. That man is again nothing. He is nothing. He's a nobody. He just basic Cameroon. Married a Cameroon woman. Oh, Kochakwa. He's not even a copper. Oh, he's mother. And why? He is not a copper. I have on his record. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm going to Igwe's palace to report him. Off the Iguanya, Maginwa, which you London. I'm not playing. Igwe's palace.
Is on Jenna's scared again?
Igwe's palace straight.
Is on Jenna's scared again? Was that there? I'm you didn't see me sign your skirt? If you got it.
CORPER, CHIDIADI. CORPER within my community. CORPER, CHIDIADI be government property. So according him some
What is happening?
I don't even know. I don't know. CHIDIADI was leaving the house when I came. And he told me he will be traveling to his mother's village later today. And he's not yet back.
But Ifeoma said he's married to a Cameroonian woman. And that he has never been to London. Neither is he even a CORPER. Where did she get all this information from?
Nonye, if you ask me, I would say we should not judge a book by its cover. Yes. Let's just wait till he's back. Then we will ask him. The Igwe son is back. And remember, he just left the youth service. To me, I don't know what is happening. No, I don't know. So at this point, Babem, why you? Babem, let him come back first. Oh, you don't need to panic. Just help me hold this pillar. Let me hold this pillar. Just let's wait for him to come back.
Chika, are you aware that the CORPER has finished his service and will be leaving the village school soon?
The last time I remembered, I'm the one that introduced you to this same CORPER. And now you know everything about him more than me. You this girl, until you are a bad girl.
I finally opened the account and I went to see him. That was when he told me. And then let's go and see him so that we can know how to keep in touch when he leaves the village. Because we didn't discuss at length about it.
Yes, you're right. You're very right. And let's go. Let's go. Alright? You.
It's your gown, it's
Come
fine.
on for you. Brody Webike, what happened? Is our CORPER fine? No, eh? You are crying. Why are you crying? talk to me. What happened?
The CORPER was arrested and taken to the palace.
Hey.
The Igwe don't know who arrested him.
Arrested?
I said it! Since the Igwe's son came back, there are plans on CHIDIADI. Plans on him. I told CHIDIADI to leave this town, but he said no. Igwe Bike, nothing mega. Now something done me. Here me go. You see, I am not going to be here. I must go there and know the outcome of this. Yes. They cannot just arrest my friend like that.
Please, let's go and know what the issue is. Arrest him for what?
I don't even understand. Why would they arrest him?
What did he do?
Exactly. Let's go.
No, let's go.
Let's go.
Just stand up, let's go.
Let's go. I will join you.
Nonye.
Just be going now.
Clean your eyes, water.
Just leave her.
No, let's go.
Let's go.
What is it? They cannot arrest my friend. And I'll be here.
Our own cop.
Never. It's not done. It's not done.
Igwe, admit it. You are not a good man. Yes! For 30 years you have been on this throne and not a single developmental project that anybody can point to in this community. All you are concerned about is how you and cohorts now sell off community parcels of land so that you and your cohorts can live in affluence. While the rest members of the community live in squalor. Do you ever ask how other people are faring in this community? Igwe, do you know the number of out-of-school children that we have in this community? Look at a community as big as ours. Not a single functional school. And it doesn't bother you. Well, I have secured that parcel of land for the proposed community secondary school. Yes. And I will do everything possible to see that that dream comes alive. For your information, I am not a copper. No. I came in disguise because I needed some form of authority to humble you. And I think I have done that.
Your Highness, please forgive him. He's a good man. He paid for my JAMB and he has deposited money for my higher institution. A lot of kids are dropped out in this community. He made it possible for them to go back to school. Please, Your Highness, please forgive him.
I went to nursing school because of him. My younger brother too. His intentions towards us are good. Other students from this town, about 50 of them, are in his payroll in this 1 year. Both primary children. I beg you, Your Highness, please, let him go.
Your Highness, he is a good man. Grandma was sick and I stopped going to school. He brought me back to school and paid for everything. Please leave him alone. We love him, something that the leadership of Nsongu cannot do for all of us.
Greetings, Your Highness. Like my granddaughter Uju rightly said, CORPER CHIDIADI is a very nice man. He has been nice to my family. My granddaughter, my daughter, the entire family. Please, I beg you, Your Highness, pardon him. Have mercy upon him. Please.
Your Highness. Gimme. He should rot in jail. Don't mind all these girls. They warm his bed in exchange for that.
No wonder.
May I be cursed in life if he's such a man. Mind your words. Say what you know and keep jealousy out of this. Your Highness, we will protest this arrest and he shall be set free.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
No.
This man
Yes.
should be arrested.
Yes.
Well, it's already late. The law must take its course.
Of course.
The police will whisk him away, and he will be charged to court for defamation and the impersonation. Then it is only then that we know who he is and what he can do.
Of course.
Nonsense. Officers, take this thing away.
You want to be a copper? Do you know what it takes to be a youth copper?
Young man, for your own good, you have to obey our order. And for whatever you say or do now will be used against you in the court of law.
I am not afraid to go with you.
Young man.
Arrest him.
Okay.
Young man, respect yourself.
Arrest him.
Officer, not gonna take you.
Arrest him.
Not gonna take you.
You know what it takes.
Not gonna.
To be a copper. Igwe.
Move him, let it go.
This is not over. I shall be back.
Okay, move.
Move.
Move him.
This one's not so well. Copper within my community. Copper CHIDIADI be government property. So according him some respect in Inojie. Maybe you want to joke with government property. Maybe you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England the way not my room the next to Queen Elizabeth room. Oya give me some accolade, the Macadillis. Oya got to me, my guy, my God, they love a job. Copper CHIDIADI, Inojie small you to copper. Na biggie copper, where they work with Army soldier. Come and see exceptional you to copper. You to copper, we get contact with the president. Yo. Copper, Copper CHIDIADI. Copper within my community. Copper CHIDIADI be government property. So according him some respect in Inojie. Maybe you want to joke with government property. Maybe you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England the way not my room the next to Queen Elizabeth room. Oya give me some accolade, the Macadillis. Oya got to me.